If your iPhone microphone is not working, not picking up your voice, or sounding very quiet during calls or apps, here are some quick fixes that can solve the problem. First, let's test the microphone on your iPhone. Open the Notes app and create a new note. Tap the paperclip icon and select Record Audio. Now, tap the red record button and speak into your iPhone. You should see the audio lines moving while you talk. After that, play the recording back and check if you can hear your voice clearly. If the microphone still isn't working, open the Settings app and go to Privacy and Security, then tap on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is enabled for apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat, or any app where the mic isn't working. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Screen Time. Then open Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure microphone changes are allowed. Another important fix is checking the iPhone microphone mode. Open the Phone app and start a call. While on the call, swipe down from the top right corner and tap Phone Controls. Change the microphone mode to automatic. Sometimes voice isolation or other modes can cause microphone issues. Also, check for dust or lint around the bottom and top microphones on your iPhone. Carefully clean the small holes using a soft brush or toothpick. If the issue persists, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos or apps, but it resets system settings that may be causing the microphone problem. After completing these steps, your iPhone microphone should start working normally again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.